Howdy everybody, this is Tyson with Fuel Systems Research and Development. Okay, what I have here is I'm in the process of building a rocket mass heater for in my house. My basement gets pretty cold in the winter time compared to the upstairs because back in the day they made the vent pipe smaller and so not quite as much air goes down into my basement compared to what goes upstairs. So I'm making this rocket mass heater to heat the basement downstairs. That way it does not require as much natural gas to heat my house, so it'll save me a little bit on energy bills during the winter, and also keep the basement warmer. So that's my 55-gallon drum, and I have a hole cut in it. I'm going to have to cut a line up this direction on that side and then this direction up on that side in order to get this installed once it's all welded together. And I'm going to have to weld this piece to this piece first, then stick it down inside and through out the hole and weld it to the barrel and put some supports inside the barrel to hold it up and support it well. And then once that's installed and welded all together, then I will put this feed, the wood feed portion on. So it's going to be a J-tube, and I made this wood feed a little bit taller on purpose because I'm going to cap the top of it after the wood's in. It's going to be closed, and the air is going to draw in. The majority of the air is going to draw in from this portion right here. So I did it that way it burns a little bit better. So I've done a lot of research on it, and it seems to burn a little bit better if the air comes through over here with a little bit of it coming through right here. So we'll find out how well it actually works. So you can see the way that I have this cut out right here is it's cut out in the shape of a saddle so that it will sit nicely on this pipe, and I also cut it so that right here where the circle's cut out of it, this portion right here is a little bit longer than this portion. That way it sits on this piece right here at an angle so that the wood feeds in better. Wood doesn't feed, or pellets. I'm gonna have it be one or the other. I'm gonna have a little pellet feeder option for it, or regular wood feed. But with the pellets, from the research that I've done, it seems that the pellets feed a little better if this feed tube right here is at a slight angle instead of a complete vertical up and down. So we shall see. I might have to make some modifications to it after it's done, but that's okay. So you guys are probably thinking, well, with this design, how are you gonna insulate it, and isn't it gonna burn through that steel? It's 3/16 steel, so it is pretty thick. But what I'm going to do also that I haven't seen yet is I'm actually going to be installing ceramic tile on the inside of this. That way it helps prevent the steel from burning through. So it should last quite a bit longer because the flame and the actual burn is going to be on the ceramic. I'm gonna put a ceramic, basically a square tube inside of there of ceramic tile. And underneath the ceramic is, I will also have some ceramic insulation that's rated like at 2,000 degrees. So once that's all said and done, we will test it to see how well it works, and I will do updates as the years go by so that you guys can know how long this actually lasts before it does burn through with that tile installed, compared to other designs that you've seen that can burn through after 3, 4, 5 years. So I'll get this going, and I will film it throughout the process as it's welded up, and I install it through this barrel and then weld the feed portion on and put the caps on and all that kind of good stuff. And then when I put the ceramic tile liner inside. So we'll be back with you later. Bye.